Oh,
so yeah,
celebrity. Alright. Hey mga paps, mayong hapon. On our way kami subong ni Ilongga Ma'am. Hi Ilongga Ma'am. Demure ba? Okay, on the way kami subong sa SM City, sa Starbucks, to meet Woody and hopefully kay Lana. Remember the video nga nag-respond ako sa ilang invitation to collaborate. They made a video, okay, inviting me to do a collab with them. Hindi pa man sigurado kung ma-collab kami, pero for sure we're going to meet. Mas-storya lang talk about YouTube and martial arts. So ari pa ko subong sa circumferential road no? Okay, I'll just update you. I must drive safely. Yo mga paps, so finally na-meet ko nagigman si Woody and his daughter, Kaylana. I'm so stoked na nag-meet na kami and we talk a lot about different kinds of things. He's my brother in two disciplines, one in filmmaking and also in martial arts. Yeah.
Vlogging right in front of me right now.
Fanboying right now, huh? Okay, so meet them. Okay.
Hello guys, it is me, Woody. Papa Woody, if you guys want to call me Papa Woody. And this is Kaylana, my daughter.
So, alright, so ano kami sumong, pangaping-api kami, nag-istoryahan na Woody's Ilonggo. So it's great. I mean, I like the fact that kabalik-balik di siya. And now he's here with his family. Woody is also with his wife, but she's shy, but can you say hi?
You're gonna be famous.
See more of us maybe in the future. We're talking about how are we going to collab, but I'm not really sure if it's going to push through, but you just watch out, okay?
Vlogging video in a little bit.
Okay, so medyo tapos na kami, so pa-picture kami, anay. Alright, so mamatamat na kami. Thank you sa San Jose Cafe. Right? Oh, it's raining. Ulan, ulan. San Jose Cafe. And look up over here, you will see that it's raining like crazy outside. You will wait a few seconds. Naka-vlog sila. Naka-vlog sila. Hey guys, subscribe to On To Play. They got Fortnite, they got martial arts, they got food. So basically everything that you might like.
Ilonggo Dad, don't forget, I'm glad to meet this guy in person and it feels good to actually be here with a celebrity. And you know, in Iloilo, my heart belongs here.
Alright.
So it's good to see somebody that's actually vlogging about Iloilo.
Oh,
so yeah,
celebrity. Alright. So, huli na kami ni Ilongga Ma'am. It's a nice night. Meeting new people. Na naman. Pwede lang ako ka-meet new people. Pero muna, that's what is ano akala mo? Amo nang nami kung YouTuber ka. English pa.